What's up guys, this is your boy Door Guy. I'm back again with another simple 5 minutes content for you guys. Pretty much what we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be changing out the cabin air filter. It's a pretty simple install, really easy to change out. And what I'm gonna be doing is I'm gonna pop this filter out. I've never seen a filter that comes with a plastic part on it before. It's pretty cool. I mean, I guess Subaru does it different. It's a really simple install, so it shouldn't be that difficult. I thought I'd walk you through the process, how to get it done, how to get the whole install done. So it shouldn't take that long. We'll just walk through the process, get it done in 5 minutes. I'll catch you guys. We'll try to keep this video under 5 minutes, okay? Boom. Alright boys, so to change the cabin filter, you just need to pop your thing open. There's a few tabs in here. You just kind of there's a tab right here, if you guys can see that. You pop that out, and then you pop the second side out, and you squeeze it together. Alright, so to pop this out, obviously I popped the wrong thing out, so that came out. But it has two tabs, one tab, and there's a second tab around over here, okay? So all you have to do, this is trash. All you have to do is push it in, push it in, yank it out. This falls out, and the filter is literally right around this spot, okay? So the filter has two tabs too. You hold it and pull it out, and there it is. Look at how dirty that filter is. This is something that if you don't change often, look at the amount of stuff that you'll be breathing in if you do not change that stuff. Look at all this dirty, compare old to new. So this is new and this is old. Look at the difference, guys. There's a big difference. Make sure you're changing these stuff out. Make sure you're switching them out often, and you're getting good quality ones too, because that is really freaking dirty. So I think this is OEM. This is not OEM because I bought it not OEM, obviously, but you can see the difference. And boom, we'll go right ahead and do the install back again. So there, one thing I want you guys to know, there's a sign in here that says up, so we're gonna put it back in the upside up, obviously. Shit, I just flipped this into my car. My car's dirty now. Freak, what the freak? All right, so we're gonna go pop this in there. So that's in there now. To pop it back out, two tabs and out, and it goes right in. So filter's out, new filter went in. We're gonna install this. So guys, we finished the installation. It's back in there. Old filter is laid right here in the ground, and look at how dirty that filter is. It's supposed to be white, but look at how dirty it is. All the dirt that we picked up on the road and all that stuff. So we're good here. We're gonna end the video here. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you like, you subscribe, and share the video with your friends and your family. I hope you guys come back for some more content. I'll catch you guys in a minute. Peace.